Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on DuckDB. As we have gone through many videos on DuckDB such as Python with DuckDB tutorial, then Python with DuckDB bar chart, then DuckDB introduction, how queries work in DuckDB and how queries work in normal SQL queries, Python DuckDB with Streamlit, and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about Streamlit with DuckDB. So let us go to presentation first. In short, DuckDB with Python Streamlit. With Streamlit, you can easily create using Python only dynamic web application. Its idea for data apps as it natively has built-in function to present data in different ways, tables and chart. DuckDB is an in-memory, in-process SQL OLAP database management system. It is serverless, comes with great feature like direct perquit or CSV querying, vectorized engine, parallel query processing. It is an alternative to SQLite purposely built for analytics workload. This is simple tutorial to showcase how we can integrate DuckDB with Streamlit. So let us go through the program. First of all, we'll go to this is file which is stored in the DuckDB. Now this is file orders. This is stored in DuckDB. Very lengthy file. Now I will execute the program. First of all, I will show the home file. So this is DuckDB database, table name orders and CSV file orders.CS. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So now we will see the graph bar chart with product name, quantity sorry. These are the product name and these are the quantity. Bar chart with name and amount. This is the amount. Y-axis is amount and x-axis is product name. Bar chart with product name is x-axis and count is y-axis. And now I will change product name. Instead I will customer name. Now it is customer name with quantity. We can change see the difference. Customer name with amount, yes, and filter with product name. Now I will status, yes. Now it is only quantity. Previously was it product name and customer name, quantity. Now status with amount, nice, and status with count. So I successfully done with DuckDB with Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more videos on data analytics using DuckDB using Python, Streamlit. If so, for latest update, keep watching my channel on youtube.com for web development with Node.js and DuckDB with Streamlit. So thanks for watching.